ever seen a flower growing in a place where it shouldn't be? A tiny bloom in a crack, a blossom in the desert? Today, I'll show you the magic of the unseen garden, where nature surprises us with beauty in the most unexpected places. Learn English with Iman Mohamed. Your English journey starts here. Welcome, my friends. Today, we're exploring a beautiful English story about nature, hope, and unexpected beauty. Get ready for a calm, inspiring journey through the unseen garden. In every corner of our world, there are silent wonders waiting to be discovered. Today, we explore the unseen garden, a hidden world where flowers grow in the most surprising and unexpected places. These tiny miracles remind us that nature is full of strength, beauty, and quiet magic. Sometimes you may see a small flower rising through a crack in the sidewalk. With almost no soil and very little sunlight, it still manages to grow. This simple moment shows us that life always finds a way, even in the hardest conditions. High in the mountains, delicate flowers cling to the edges of rocky cliffs. They face strong winds, cold nights, and rough weather, but still they bloom. Their strength teaches us that beauty can survive even in the harshest places. In the desert, everything looks empty and lifeless until the rain comes. Suddenly, thousands of colorful flowers appear and spread across the sand like a magical carpet. It is a breathtaking transformation and a reminder that hope can blossom even where we least expect it. Nature also surprises us in old, abandoned buildings. On rooftops, broken walls, and forgotten places, new plants begin to grow. These hidden gardens tell a story of time, patience, and renewal, showing us that nature always finds a way to return. Deep inside the forest, where sunlight barely reaches, small glowing flowers grow quietly in the shade. They don't need attention or loud colors. They simply thrive in their own peaceful space, reminding us that even the softest beauty has its own light. The unseen garden is more than just a place. It is a message. Beauty is not always loud. Strength is not always visible. And sometimes the most remarkable things grow in the most unlikely places. Thank you for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey through nature and English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This was Learn English with Iman Mohamed. See you in the next adventure.